Highwire, and today I'm going to be presenting the pressure the pressure test. So, or for the pressure environmental test. So, right now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the container and the payload, and as you can see, right off the start, we're receiving packets from both. So, I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And just a fair warning, we went ahead and removed our dowel from our stepper motor, just so that way the tether is not constantly spooling throughout the entirety of the pressure test. So, as you can see, our electronics are currently on, and if you go over here and look at our packets, right over here, it currently says we're about negative 0.3 to like 0.1. So we're about ground level right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on right now. All right, there we go. Currently we're at about 100 meters. All right, we're currently about 300 meters as well. We're still at flight station number 1. All right, yeah, we're about 400 meters in the air now. All right, now we're at 500 meters in the air. All right, now we are at about 600 meters in the air. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut us off at 700 meters in the air, or 750 actually. That's about the apogee of the flight. Here, we just had 700 meters. And there we go, cutting us off. So there we go. It's currently going up a little bit, but now it's heading back down. So now it's about 750. Slowly going down to like, there we go. So something else we had to remove, the can itself right here and the servo horn, just because we don't have enough space in our fishbowl. And otherwise we would be able to do it. However, we just didn't have the space in here to do this kind of test with the kind of equipment we wanted to, because we wanted to make sure that the tests were very high quality. So we're about 600 meters in the air right now. All right, we just passed the 5-day mark. So as you can see, both the payload and the container are both still on, and we are both still receiving packets from both, as you can see. For every few packets the payload sends, we get one from the container, as per mission requirements. And we're still in the first flight stage, but we're coming close to the point where it's gonna go ahead and change into the second flight stage. There we go, we're at 430 now, there we go. There we go, we're now at 300. And as you can see, our LED right here for our flight stages has changed speeds, is now faster moving, to indicate that it is about to change flight states. Yeah, all right, and there we go. So yes, the motor, the stepper motor LEDs and the white LED has gone to a slow blinking, meaning that the stepper motor is currently activated and it has changed flight states. It's currently right now in flight stage 3, meaning that the payload is now being lowered, and actually this would have released in flight stage number 2. I apologize for not pointing that out earlier, but it would have been released in flight stage 2. So now it's currently still releasing. It's at about 155 meters in the air. Come down slowly. Because it's reached under the 270 threshold, we no longer send packets from the container or the payload, as it might cause some interference on the field. So there we go. Currently we're at 65 meters, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this up because there's not that much pressure left. So there we go. It's reaching towards the ground. There we go, it's 43 meters, 37 meters. There we go, so it's back in a second. There we go, 28 meters. And it's gonna keep doing this until it reaches ground level. And once it hits ground level, it's going to activate a buzzer that you'll be able to hear. And at about the 10-meter mark is when the buzzer will start, and it will go into the 5th flight stage. There it is, the buzzer's been activated, and the flight stage is done, meaning that we have gone through all 5 of the successful flight stages of the CAN set.